everybody, welcome back to my channel. So what I'm going to be doing today is pretty much just opening it and reviewing it, and on the side of the box here it says with blood color changing action. That means that if you put him in water, he gets like blood splatters all over him. So I'm excited to see that. I want to see the magic happen. So I recently found this actually on Amazon. I'm going to show you guys the packaging quickly, and then we're going to open it and do some magic. And he has like a garbage bag, and then he has like all his weapons right there. There's a gun, a knife, and a saw. Shows me like the blood splatters on him. And then there's his like garbage bag. It's open. Put him on my shoulder. We could go for some wax. Oh, this is cool. See, here's his garbage bag. Okay, so this is art up close. He looks badass, of course. He has some big ass feet. Like, look at the size of those freaking shoes. Those are some big ass feet, art. Oh, he can stand up by himself too. Oh, cool. Look at that. I found out something new about him already. Of them. Nothing special back there. Doesn't even have a booty or anything. It's flat like a pancake, but he's still perfect. Garbage bag, and see, like, I know it opens, so I want to see what it looks like. Oh, that opened pretty quick. That, you open it, it looks like a ball sack. It shows his weapons can go in here. So here's his gun. Got his knife. And his saw. So everything fits in there nicely. And then it just closes. Does it go in his hand? Oh! It goes in his hands! It's freaking cool! I love that! Walking with his tools and everything. I love that he stands up. I love that he can hold the garbage bag. I love that. Here is his weapons. They're just silver and plastic. So he has like his butcher knife, his gats, and his saw. So he has 3 weapons. The knife, and see if it fits in his hand. Ah! I figured it out. There we go. Let's do his gun. His art carrying his weapons and his trash bag. So this is really cool. Like, I was not expecting this at all. Now it's going to be the magic trick. But I have an ice cube in here, just letting it get cold. I don't know if it's gonna work right away or what, I don't know. He's changing. Let's see. Ooh, it's cold. I just want to dump this over my head right now. Wow. The picture looks better. I'm just saying. I think that's good. There's no blood on the back of them though. Okay, let's get him out and check him out. So, that's so cool. So now, he's covered in blood. Pretty cool. I'll show you guys up close. Starting to go more like brighter than it was. So the colder the water, I guess it gets more like reddish. So that's freaking cool. That's what his blood splatter looks like. It's starting to kind of disappear now because it's starting to warm up. Are a Terrifier fan like myself, definitely get your hands on this Art the Clown figure. It is amazing and worth every penny. Happy to have Art the Clown in my collection finally. I had like tops and pins and other things, but not a figure. Guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you guys did enjoy this review and opening up my new figure video. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys!